Welcome to Access Life Insurance. Here you will learn about how to get an instant term life insurance without having to speak to an agent or undergo a medical exam. Access Life Insurance is a licensed Massachusetts insurance producer, and you could start here by going to accesslifeinsurance.com. From here, that puts you on the main menu, and here you'll see a get quote request. You click on that link, and it will take you to this portal right here that is managed by Sprout, which is a secure website that meets all the privacy laws for the state of Massachusetts and California. Well rated by Trustpilot, so you can feel confident that your information is secured. And you can click on Get Started. Here you will simply answer a few health questions, starting with your zip code, for example. So just assume you live in one of the Boston zip codes, and pretty much the system knows it's in Massachusetts. You answer the question about the gender. Then you just say you are born in 1976. Your height, you simply just move this to select your height. You confirm, and now it's going to ask you a couple of questions, and this is all to figure out what insurance rate you qualify for, and based on your weight and height, they'll figure out your health habits pretty much. This is an important question you want to pay attention to because this drives the rate. And trust me, the insurance company does have access to your medical database for everybody in the U.S. So pretty much you can answer this to the best you can. So for somebody to get the best rate, non-smokers usually get the best. You consider yourself very healthy, and here you can do the annual income, and this is just the trigger about how much money you will qualify for. And again, you don't need to tell them you're a millionaire. Whatever you make, just be honest because they will run you a credit check. Okay, so let's just some, middle of the road income. Have you received disability benefits? Obviously not. If you are, press yes. Credit rating, so it's very good, which is the average client would deal with, has a good credit bureau report. They will check, so be honest in these questions. None of these, so you hit submit. This is an important question also. Prescription drugs, if you're on any, you got to make sure you list them. And they will check this information. Do you have another life insurance you want to replace this with? Obviously, this is your first one or a replacement. Answer that question accordingly. Okay, let's just skip that for now. All right, so now they're going to calculate your rates, and based on the answers you give, these are the insurance policies that they offer you. Okay, if you don't like what you see, then you can customize here. Let's just say you're looking on your budget and you want to spend, let's say, $94 a month seems to be reasonable to get a $500,000 term. And this is a 20-year term right there, okay? So they automatically figured that out based on your age. Let's say you don't want 20 years, then you can go here and select that you want 15, 10, and the prices change, okay? So this is what they recommend, is you get the 20 years for $94. So you hit continue. And again, there is no medical, I want to stress this out, there is no medical exam for this. They used to send you a nurse to take your blood and urine test and wait for a week or two for the test result to come in. And at that point, you can either jack up your rate or lower it based on the results. This system here is all automatic. So you just fill in your name, last name, your email address, your mobile number. Acknowledge this statement right there and start your application. SBLI is one of the insurance providers that it is selected here for you based on the answers you provided. Again, if term life insurance is something you want to do, I would recommend you start here. If it is your regular insurance that you want a whole life or you want a mortgage insurance to cover your mortgage or disability insurance, you simply go back to Access Life Insurance. And from the main menu here under insurance plan, you just select the option you want. Obviously, if you have some money and you want to plan for retirement, Index Universal Insurance is a great choice that has a cash built-in option so you can save for your retirement. From here, you can just simply click on Contact Us, and we'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. There's also a link here. You can just click on that and start chatting with us. If we are online, we'll gladly answer your questions. Leave us a message, and we'll come back to you. We do offer during COVID-19 a house visit and also a conference video via Zoom. If that's of an interest to you, you simply let us know and we'll do a conference call by phone or by video to walk you through the process, and the entire application can be done remotely. Some of the carriers that we proudly work for and we work with are hand selected and they are AAA rated. And you also be dealing with a licensed agent. So it's not like one of these fly-by-nights companies. We do work with AAG, John Hancock, Athens, Mutual of Omaha, Americo, to name a few. So obviously these are all going to get rated for you, and we select the best plan. My name is Hanson, and I can be reached at 617-800-0899. And if you have any questions, you can feel free to call me, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Thank you for watching.